Welcome back on Bajirao Institute. We discuss about a very simple topics, and I starting this class as a very simple and very common topic. You are a hearing or a reading. Um, in school life, first of all, hearing you heard and about glands. So first of all, I talking about glands. Gland is a type. Gland definition. Gland is a pouch type structure which have found enzyme and and और both होगा अब लिख करके दीजिए and or juice or a both found also found also produced hormone. In simple way gland produced gland juice and hormone. Next point, four, secretion of type of giant juice and hormone. It's divided into divided into three types of first in Sikkim PCS only endocrine gland have mentioned in your syllabus. First of all, endocrine gland, endocrine gland. Second, exo and third mixed mixed ये कैसे समझ पाएंगे? हाउ कैन यू differentiate them? What is endocrine gland and what are you understand by exocrine gland and what are you understand by mixed? चलिए पहले लिखते हैं endocrine gland. Endocrine gland. Cricket. Endocrine gland. Third is mixed. ये तीनों के बीच में अगर हम डिफरेंसेस कर लेंगे तो चीजें बड़ी आसानी से endocrine it means they have not found duct 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 it means duct, but in this exocrine they have found duct. It means बाद में लिखूंगा. Third is they have found which they have which type of gland they have found duct or a duct. It means is called mixed gland. As for example, pituitary gland, pineal gland, hypothalamus gland, Gonads glands, etc. There are the nine types of endocrine gland. Exocrine gland since means they have found it means liver, kidney, not a kidney, not if produce any types of sweet gland. And they have mixed gland only pancreas. Only one mixed gland found in human body, that is pancreas. So ye which is not in your syllabus, it is also not be in your syllabus, but you have to commonly know this information 4 basic concepts. First, endocrine endocrine definition हम लोग करा चुके हैं. Endocrine in head there are 3 endocrine gland found in your head. First of all, hypothalamus gland. Hypothalamus gland. Thalamus gland. Thalamus gland. And pineal gland. How can these types of the endocrine gland, it is only secretion hormone. Only endocrine gland, it means only secretion hormone. Only secretion hormone. But in exocrine gland, it secrete juice and or a enzyme. Juice or enzyme. But in endocrine gland, only hormone can be secretion in endocrine gland. So when endocrine gland have you, how can you solve this question when UPSC or a PCS examination asks in the question format which are the endocrine gland and which are the exocrine gland, which gland is mixed gland, with the help of this process. When the only hormone can be secretion, that types of the gland is called, the endocrine gland has only secretion hormone. So hypothalamus gland have only secretion hormone TRH. TRH hormone. TRH hormone is also responsible for regulation the temperature in human body. So that TRH is called thermometer of the human body. So when asked $1 million of question, which hormone is called thermometer of the human body? So TRH. You write down this question. The TRH hormone is responsible for regulate the internal human temperature. This is about technical words. Internal human temperature. It means in the human body 30 degree 37 degree temperature in regulate or a cold or a hot time, because of which hormone is responsible? This hormone is responsible only TRH. So that TRH hormone is called thermometer of human body. So here TRH is called thermometer of human body. In this endocrine gland, TRH hypothalamus is responsible for regulating the temperature of internal body. The BPSC asked in sometimes years ago in BPSC examination, which is responsible for internal regulate the internal temperature of the human body, which is not only this is hypothalamus, and hypothalamus only is called the regulation of the internal temperature because of which हार्मोन? TRH. इस प्रकार से मेंस के भी प्रश्न जो आएंगे उसको आप उसको बेहतर ढंग से डिफाइन करेंगे। इस कारण से कौन और भी डिटेल में पढ़ाऊंगा, जब मैं क्लास लूंगा तो इसमें और बहुत सारी चीजें बताऊंगा। We all are discussed in this particular example of how can it is called endocrine gland, and only hormone can be release these glands, so that it is called. हमें लगता है कि पूरा कंसेप्ट क्लियर हो गया होगा। इसी में होता है सेकंड जो होता है थैलेमस। सेकंड थैलेमस, थैलेमस ग्लैंड। थैलेमस ग्लैंड is also related to temperature, but it is not responsible for regulation of internal temperature. It is responsible for external temperature, which is technical point. It is responsible for field external temperature. That is your body felt much hotter in summer season with respect to cold season. तो आपके दो टेक्निकल पॉइंट बिल्कुल ही कंसेप्ट क्लियर होते जा रहा है ग्लैंड में। हाउ कैन स्टडी the glands, and how can you differentiate between them where similarly known similarly work to known about a similar work, but they have a technical difference. Pineal glands, pineal gland, pineal gland. Pineal glands, some points. Pineal glands is also found in human body, and it is a very small endocrine gland. But in some guidebook, it mentions that a smallest endocrine gland is pituitary gland. But reference of, yeah, with the help of reference of NCERT book regarding to in BET, the smallest, ओके देखिएगा रुक गया क्या, स्मॉलेस्ट endocrine gland regarding to its weight, weight pituitary gland, not a pituitary gland, pineal gland is a smallest gland, not pituitary, because 0.2 gram is less than pituitary gland का वेट होता है. Regarding to weight, pineal gland is smallest, but in size pituitary gland is smallest, 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 smallest. तो पूरा कंसेप्ट क्लियर हो गया होगा. एंड pineal gland is called pineal gland is called is called dark releasing hormone hormones gland, dark releasing hormones glands. Okay, it is also called, it is very most important for exam point of view. It is also called called third eye of human body. Or pineal gland, why it called dark hormone? Because of it releasing melatoninous hormone. Hormone, which is responsible for sleeping. So it is called sleeping, or a dark releasing hormone, also be called dark hormones, sleeping hormones. It is also called third eye of the human body, or it is also because neurons is not a power, a rejuvenation power, good rejuvenation power, because nothing but some rejuvenation power of the neurons as found because of only or these types of hormone. I also mentioned melatonin hormone is responsible for regeneration or a regenerate the neurons because of only the melatonin. So melatonin is a very significant role of your healthy mind. Still, so that the old man, my ancestor say a right proverbs can be used: early to rise, early to wed, makes healthy, wealthy, and wise, because of only this hormones, pineal gland, which releasing this hormone, which is very significant role in reconstructing the neuron, not only those, that is melatonin. So melatonin is also called a dark hormone. शायद आपको इतना अच्छा कंसेप्ट शायद आपको विश्वविद्यालय स्तर पर या किसी जगह पर विलय ही मिला हो, है कि नहीं? तो आपको धीरे धीरे जो है, अभी आज मैंने तीन प्रकार के इंडोक्राइन ग्लैंड के बारे में पढ़ाया है, जो मेंस की दृष्टि से कहां पर इट इज सिचुएटेड. प्यूटिटी ग्लैंड इज आल्सो बी सिचुएटेड इन स्नोफॉइड बोन्स होल, but pineal glands is also found in the upper side of the pituitary glands. So hypothalamus, the upper part, then after the pituitary gland, and then after the pineal gland. So there are the three situated in endocrine gland situated in the. मुझे लगता है कि मैंने आपका बहुत लंबा क्लास तो नहीं ले लिया, कहीं उबाऊ ना हो जाए. नहीं तो आप चाहिएगा तो मैं the 9 endocrine gland mention this one topics or in one class, but it's depend on you. क्या सर पढ़ा दिए या छोड़ दे? क्योंकि अभी अभी और भी पढ़ाने थे इंडोक्राइन में, लेकिन 3 मैंने बता दिया हेड में, छोड़ देता हूँ, एक जगह निकलना भी है.